and linking to the use of arms. That my job is.
Okay. Mr. Amadu, you want to react to that?
Okay, yes, I would like to react with regard to the issue of a 15-month sentence for former President Jacob Zuma. I was really very disappointed when I learned the president on his speech. Instead of trying to talk of the issue of what has happened already, because I was expecting that the first thing which was going to come out from the mouth of the president would be the issue of clemency, to make sure that he grants clemency to Mr. Zuma, which is very necessary at this particular moment in time. Because it's just a sign of fair leadership. I believe that normally if the president, Cyril Ramaphosa, was reasonable, he ought to have do everything possible to make sure that the man is released and is granted clemency to call down what is happening. Because Zuma, as a public figure and a former president, he has his followers, and these followers will always make sure that they do everything possible to protect their leader, no matter whatsoever they are doing to them. That thing was not. It's very unacceptable for President Cyril Ramaphosa to do such a thing. Secondly, I will talk with regards of the judiciary. It's true that the law is the law, but the judiciary, the judiciary in South Africa, the constitutional court, never did a good job. It is true that the law is a law, but normally the law says that for a judge to render a judgment, he may make sure that he applied the law and his conscience. Applying the law and his conscience means that if the judge deem it necessary that a particular situation at hand on a particular time or for a particular person might lead to something that, because normally the law is there to guarantee security and peace in a country. So if the judge deem it that sentencing this man or sending this man to prison might cause problem, it's very reasonable for the judge to apply that his conscience and keep the law aside and do such thing for the peace for the peace of the nation, because the peace of the nation is the most important thing that we need here at this particular moment. And the next point here, I will try to talk equally on the President Jacob Zuma. What Jacob Zuma did too was not a good example as a leader. Normally, we believe that a good leader should lead with example. When you are a leader, I believe that he was first of all supposed to present himself before the commission in charge of inquiry to answer the question that was expected from him. Because when he abstained from going there, he's giving a bad impression to the other South Africans who are like following him, giving them the impression that maybe the law is not there or they don't have to respect the law, because it is a law that he was going to go and answer to the law, and we have responsibilities as well as rights as a citizen. Jacob Zuma is a citizen like any other citizen, though for a former